is well. I have been waiting to make this video for weeks now. I am so excited to show you, and I'm so excited to go through the pieces with you. Now let's rewind a bit. If you have not seen the title of this video or, whatever, I am unboxing an Eggie Mystery box that I ordered a couple of weeks back. I just received it yesterday and I am stoked. So let me go back a bit and explain to you what is going on. So if you don't know, Eggie is a clothing brand that has been created by a YouTuber named Jen Im, and she is actually one of my favorite YouTubers ever since I started watching YouTube. I've been following her since maybe not the beginning, but pretty close to the beginning, and I just love her and I love the style evolution that she's had, and I love her current style. Now she came out with a clothing brand, I think, well, I say I think, but I know it was 2 years ago now, because on their 2-year anniversary they came out with this mystery box. Now every single time she came out with a new launch, a new collection, I would scroll through it and I would just be like, oh, I really want something. But as you may or may not know, I am from Canada and the exchange rate is very high. It's very difficult to buy anything from the US for me right now. And it comes up to be a little bit expensive. So I really wanted to get something that was really worth it. Now I love every single piece. So I just thought that this mystery box would be the perfect opportunity to dip my toes into it, see how I feel about it. And I just thought it would be fun because you never know what you're gonna get. So if you're familiar with the website and what the mystery box was, there was 4 different types of mystery box featuring 4 different types of styles. So there was the romantic, there was the boss, there was the jet setter, and there was the party girl. So I loved every single style for different reasons, and I loved the pieces with it, but I went for the romantic mystery box just because every single piece in it I loved, and I think it was the most popular one because I did try to order it and they were out of stock. So then I waited till they came back in stock. Anyways, so I went for the romantic mystery box and I was not disappointed. And oh, there's my boyfriend. He's coming up. I see him in the window. Sorry guys, 1 second. Alrighty, sorry, I had to readjust there. Okay, so as I was saying, what was I saying? Okay, yes. I wanted to mention that the Eggie team in the customer service department is really amazing. The only reason why I had to contact him is just because I had ordered my mystery box, and then a couple of days later, I didn't get any notification that it has been sent. And I was just like, hey, do you have any updates? Do you know if it's been sent? And then they were really quick about it, and they just replied to me back and just said yeah, it's been sent, here's a tracking number. So I think it was just it happens, just a faulty technical issue on their end that I didn't get the notification email that it got sent, and with the whole tracking thing. Anyways, so they sent me the tracking number and it was really fast and quick. And then a couple of weeks go by and I don't get anything, and on my tracking number it just says arrived in Canada. And I was like, okay, so if it's arrived in Canada, it should come any day now, and it just wasn't getting there. So then I sent them an email again, because since they sent it through USPS and I'm in Canada, it's always a little bit, more difficult to contact USPS, just because if ever you have an issue, they always assume that you have an issue somewhere in the US, so you can't really submit any issues to them, just because they're okay, well, where was it sent? And then they just show you all the states in the United States, and they don't give you an option to say that, it was sent to Canada. I digress. So I sent them another email, and then The next day I get a notification from the people at my office saying that I got a package. So I did send my package to my place of work, and I know that a lot of people do that. And just for the sole purpose is that I'm there 9 to 5. I'm there like most of my days. And it just happens that sometimes packages are being left at doors and they get stolen when you're not there. Like, you know, sometimes it happens, and sometimes it's a pain that you have to go to the post office and you have to go get it. And I have an amazing mailroom team like at my office, so it just so happened for me to be like, okay, peace of mind, I'm gonna get it sent to my office and they'll take care of everything regardless if I'm there or not, and I have no chances of it getting stolen. So I get it sent to my office and I get a duty charge. Now, if you may or may not know, usually there is like no duties from the US to Canada. However, I have been told that if you have something of a certain value and you get it sent to a place of commerce, they are more likely to put it aside, check it, and then they have to make you pay for the fact that they put it aside and checked it. So I had to pay another fee to, you know, to get my package because they put duties on it, because they checked it just to make sure that everything was all cool. So this is just a PSA to everyone. If you get something sent to your place of work, just know that you might have to pay something for peace of mind. This is just to like Canadian residents out there. We don't, you know, we never know. But I don't, you know, I'm not pissed. Like, I was just like, you know what, it is what it is. It's too bad because it was already like a good amount that I paid for it, and then I had to put on the duty, but it was peace of mind. I knew that it was going to be taken care of, and I knew that it wasn't going to get stolen. So that was my long intro, but now I'm sure that you guys want to see what's in this box. So let's get started. So the first thing that was a complete and utter surprise to me was that I would get, oops, that was my earphones, was that I was gonna get this little clear backpack. I mean, I haven't gotten anything like this before, and I know that it's been super on trend. And so they send this backpack, and inside they send like a little card with like little cute stickers. And then I did know that they also sent a little cheek stamp. So it comes in a box like this, and it's a Kaja cheek stamp. You just open it up here, then you have this little foamy stamp, and then you pop open the top part, the bottom part, I mean, and then you have the cheek color on the bottom, and you just use a little cheek stamp. And I haven't used it yet, but it is such a cute concept and I love it. So it just comes with every single mystery box. And yeah, I'm so stoked about this backpack. It is cute. It is for like a really cool like day trip or night out. Like, it is just perfect. So that's the first thing that you see when you open the box. And then the second thing is this beautiful Eggie white matte box, and that's where they have all the clothes inside. So let's pop this open. Oops. And then here are all the items. So the first thing that came in this mystery box, so this is their long sleeved graphic tee. Now, I don't remember the name of this t-shirt, but I can just put it on the screen right here. It is this beautiful peach colored, like oversized graphic tee. It is a long sleeve, and I just think it's really fun just for like the weekends or something a little bit more street style. Since I did get the romantic mystery box, that you'll see that a lot of things are like a little bit more girly and more like, you know, flirty. This is like a more like menswear street style that I still do enjoy. Next up, I have this mini baby doll dress. So I will just show it to you right here. It is in a cute little micro floral pattern. It has a little tie in the front. And once again, it's like a baby doll dress. So it's, you know, quite short, but I just think that this is so cute for the spring and summer, and you can like style it in a lot of different ways. You know, like a little long sleeve underneath would be super cute. Maybe something like a biker jacket. And I just think this is like so versatile, so cute. And I'm trying to figure out ways how to like maybe tie it into work, you know, have a little blazer and like little tights or something. And I think that's gonna be amazing. Last but not least, what I call la pièce de résistance. This is, I think this is like the most expensive piece in this mystery box, and it is the ivory lace 4-piece set. Now, I have to show it to you in like 4 different items. So this is the top layer, and you can see there's this beautiful floral and gold pattern on it, and some long puffy sleeves. And then it comes with a belt, a white satin bralette, and some satin shorts with some scallop detailing on the bottom. And so putting it all together makes this gorgeous dress, and it's like so fun having like 3-piece, 4-piece sets, just because you can mix and match it and do a lot of different looks with it. And so I just think just the top layer could be really cute with like a little black dress or something for the beach, or you know, using a bralette for another different occasion. Like, you know, the possibilities are endless. And so I just thought this is something so out of my comfort zone, but it's something that I'm so excited to wear, just because I would never think to like get this on their website. Obviously I think it's gorgeous, but like if I would have shopped the website, I wouldn't have maybe chosen that item. But I just think that that's like the best thing. You just, if you're ready to go out of your comfort zone and you're okay with getting whatever, this is like the perfect choice for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see other pieces from the collection, I'm going to link the website in the description below, and I'll also link Jen's YouTube channel. If you guys haven't heard of her, you guys should just go watch her videos. She's so nice, so awesome, and she has like goals in terms of, you know, styling herself. She loves thrifting like I do, and so I just feel like I connect with her like on another level, right? So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!